Hello and welcome back to Rob's PC Workshop. Today we're going to be working in Packet Tracer. We're going to be creating a performance baseline and a configuration baseline for a network. Excuse me. So we're going to use the baseline chart or a scrap piece of paper to identify the following information. So we're going to select PC2, execute a ping and trace route to each of the devices in the chart below, and we're going to document the results. So I'm going to pull up a notepad here. We'll document it. So normally, like it says here, to create a baseline, you'd ping 100 to 500 times to reference the average time and the total number of the pings. We're not going to do that. We're just going to do a single baseline. So average round trip time PC2 to PC0. So okay, PC2 to PC0. Alright. So pinging PC2 to PC0. And we'll find our average time here and we'll document it. So looks like it's getting slower and slower, so we'll say our average is 16 milliseconds. Okay. And then PC2 to PC1. I guess we also need to trace route. So we know the path it took. So we can document our path also. Okay, that was PC2 to PC0. Then we'll do PC2 to PC1. Ten dot 10.20.1 or 10.10.20.2. So well, looks like about 25 milliseconds. And then trace route. 10.10.20.2. We'll keep track of those hops. Now PC2 to PC3. And, you know, we can do this all day, as you can see. So, it wants us to document the client configurations. So basically what you do is you would go to all your computers on your network. And figure out your network ranges. You can see we're all, this has got 10.10.10.20.60. .50, .30, you know, so that's our IP range. For our computers. So, and the subnet mask 255.255.0 on these. Looks like, yeah. So basically, again, for documentation for this, you're going to want to write those down. Then default gateway, and we're going to document the router configurations. So we're going to go into our router. Start with router 0. Okay. And it wants me to save wants me to document my interfaces and IP addresses, which is all in a show run here. So I want to see the routing table. Okay, so as you can see here, I have entered show IP route, which shows my routing table. Now I want to save the startup configuration to the TFTP server. As you can see, I'm entering commands here to save information. And we've saved our Router 0 config baseline. So you want to do this performance regularly after you create any changes to make sure you know what you're running optimally at. So hope that's been helpful. Have a nice day.